Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Quadcopter. Number 5. Potemsic upgraded A20 mini drone, easy to fly even. Having fun for more time, 2 detachable batteries and 3 adjustable speed levels deliver exciting. Fast and agile, you could control the drone flight toward any directions by remote controller. Once expert. Easy to fly, with altitude hold, headless mode and one key taking off, landing, you can fly it without worrying. Portable, it's the width of an iPhone 5. Besides, it's extremely lightweight and easy to carry. Worry-saving and convenient, it covers 12 months warranty and does not have to register from the USA. Number 4, Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone RC Nano Quadcopter Best. 21 minutes flight time, come with 3 drone batteries in the package. Your flight time is prolonged up to 21 minutes. Easy to play, the auto-hovering function enables the drone to hover at current height. You can release the throttle stick and control the drone more easily. Won't lose direction, in headless mode, you can fly the drone without worrying about what direction it is facing. Having fun, the drones can perform 3D flip, and it can be start or land with one key, which makes the drone easier to play. A great gift for kids, low battery power alarm, no worry losing it. You can adjust the speed to meet your operation proficiency. Number 3, Tello Drone Quadcopter Boost Combo Plus with 3 batteries. Sold by DJI Authorized Dealer Sure RC. Tello, an impressive little drone for kids and adults that's a blast. Sold by DJI Authorized Dealer Sure RC. New to drones? No problem. Flying Tello couldn't be easier. Just thanks to all the tech that Tello's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome tricks. Sold by DJI Authorized Dealer Sure RC. Relax. Tello's super safe. Tello's lightweight, yet durable design. Sold by DJI Authorized Dealer Sure RC. We make the factory package more complete by adding some unique. Number 2, Tello Quadcopter Drone. Learn about drones, shoot video and easily perform impressive tricks with this lightweight Rise Tello drone. The 5-megapixel camera records JPEG photos and 720p MP4 video, and the Tello flies up to 10 meters vertically and up to 1. This Rise Tello drone operates up to 13 minutes per charge. DJI Flight Tech, high-quality components ensure stable flights. VR headset compatibility, fly with the breathtaking first-person view. 582.6 Superscripto. Number 1, DJI Tello Quadcopter Iron Man Edition Beginner Drone VR HD Video. Authorized dealer, includes full USA warranty, Iron Man Edition Tello drone powered by DJI technology. Inspired by Iron Man's classic armor, Tello Iron Man Edition's shell includes the heroic arc reactor, motors and propeller tips dipped in gold. Flying Tello couldn't be easier. Just pull out your phone to fly anytime or anywhere with intuitive controls. VR headset compatibility. Fly with the breathtaking first-person view. DJI Flight Tech, industry-leading components to ensure stable flights. Drone bundle includes Tello Iron Man Edition quadcopter drone with HD camera and VR powered by DJI technology.